Now to COVID concerns. Starting today, Jackson Health System will limit visit access for all hospitals. The majority of patients are not allowed to have any visitors. However, pediatric, maternity, and rehabilitation patients may have one healthy visitor per day. And for scheduled outpatient appointments, guests are not allowed unless that patient is a minor or requires help from a caregiver. New this noon, Miami-Dade County ran out of at-home COVID tests given out at those local libraries today. 150,000 take-home tests have been distributed.
And they went quickly. They had to cut off not sales, but giving them out at around 10 o'clock in the morning. So all eyes are on us here in South Florida as the hospitals are continuing to deal with the Omicron variant of COVID-19 as it spreads all across our area in this latest wave of the virus. That's
why we want to turn to NBC 6's Phil Prazan, who is at Jackson Memorial Hospital, with what the COVID situation is looking like today. Phil.
Well, researchers tell me this Omicron variant spreads faster but has milder symptoms compared to waves in the past. That's good news for hospitals, but it's something they're watching because generally speaking, they see a spike in capacity about 1 or 2 weeks after a spike in cases. Florida reported more than 39,000 cases over the Christmas weekend, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. That, however, is without numbers from Sunday. So far, no hospitals have canceled elective surgeries, a key sign before they reach capacity. So it's not a capacity problem as of now, but the beginning of another staffing problem. We've reported all year how hospitals have brought in outside workers to fill holes in the schedule. Since the Omicron variant spread so fast, healthcare workers, doctors, nurses are getting sick and calling out. That's one reason why the CDC lowered the quarantine time. Now, just in my inbox at noon, Miami-Dade County has opened 2 new testing sites at the Youth Fairgrounds at Tamiami Park and Dolphin Station Park and Ride. Zoo Miami has also extended to 24 hours for the testing location there, and that is free testing from the county. This is a key time for many families who celebrated Christmas together and who are about to get together for New Year's Eve. And what about that? Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, tells NBC News it's best to be cautious this weekend.
When you're dealing with a family gathering in a home where you and the people that are there are vaccinated and boosted, although nothing is 100% risk-free, that's a relatively risk-free situation. What I was saying we should avoid is a New Year's Eve celebration where you have 30 or 40 people and you don't know the vaccine status of many of the people. That's something you really want to stay away from.
And we will have a better idea this afternoon when the Florida Hospital Association releases their daily numbers. We're talking to them later this afternoon. Now, they stopped reporting their daily cases and hospitalizations back in October when cases were low, but they have started that up again. We're also going to have numbers from Miami-Dade County and Broward counties, and we're checking in with the local hospitals for more this afternoon at 4, 5, and 6. Live in Miami, Phil Prazan, NBC 6 News. Yep.